الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدم الفداء أما بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, inshallah, I hope everyone is well and everyone can hear me loud and clearly. Yes, everyone?
Yes, we can hear you.
I've sent this PDF file. If everyone can print this out, that would be great. So let me explain this file so that everyone understands. So in this one here itself, you will find the past tense, nasara, yansuru, and everyone remembers we have done the command, unsur. And as we know that we have, who should I bring? Sister Naseem, can you come on the mic? Okay. Can you hear? Alaikum salam. So the command for Nasara Yansur was unsur.
Unsura, unsuru,
Correct.
unsuri, unsura, unsurna.
Excellent. So this is the command. And with these commands itself, you will find that, first of all, when we did this book, I'll just revise it quickly and then move on. So when we made the Amr for Nasara Yansuru, we remove, first of all, the harful mudari from the beginning, correct? The ta's from the beginning. And once we remove the ta's, we realize that we are in a dilemma that noon has a sakin, has a jazm. So a letter which starts with a silent letter, you cannot recite it. So we had to bring in Hamzatul Wasl. And once we brought the Hamzatul Wasl in, we need to give a harakat to the Hamzatul Wasl. So the harakat of the Hamzatul Wasl was dependent upon the middle letter of the three-letter verb, nasara, which is a sad, which has a dhamma. So whenever the middle letter of the present tense have a dhamma, the Hamzatul Wasl will also have a dhamma. So it became unsur. The ruling, the next question is that if it has a fatha or a kasra, the middle letter has a fatha or a kasra, the alif in the beginning will have a kasra. Inshallah, we'll do that later. But at the moment, it's unsur, unsura, unsuru. And in the dual form, the noon with a kasra has been removed when we make the command. And in the plural masculine, the noon with a fatha for the plural masculine is dropped. Once we remove the noon, we bring a alif instead. So it becomes unsur, unsura, unsuru. Inshallah, next session, I will bring more examples for you from the other material which I have. And as I said, I will practice with you with the Quran. I want to finish off all of this, and then I'll go through the Quran and even some du'as of Imam Zamana where this word unsurani fa innakuma nasira wansurani. I give you this so that you have a better understanding of this. And then tansurina, the noon here in the singular present tense was dropped and it became unsuri. And then tansurani became unsura, the noon with the kasra is dropped, but this plural masculine, this noon remains and it becomes unsurna. Is this clear? And then this is with this one here, with the present tense having a dhamma in the middle. And the next one, and inshallah I'll move on. Next one is dharaba yadribu. When we make the command for this, it is from tadribu. And why is it tadribu? Why can it not be udharib? What was the reason for us?
That middle letter has
Correct.
a kasra.
And the Hamzatul Wasl is given a
Kasra.
Excellent. Continue, Sister Nazneen. What was the next step? The noon.
So it becomes idrib.
Yep.
So idriba, idribu.
Correct.
Then idribi,
correct?
idriba, idribna.
Excellent, excellent. So these are when the middle letter has, as I mentioned, whenever in the present tense, the middle letter, when you make it has a fatha or a kasra, the hamzatul wasl in the beginning takes a kasra. This is now the kasra. The next one is going to be with a fatha, and then I'm going to move on. I'm going to give this to Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah, Sister Amreen Salehi. How are you?
Walaikum salam, Alhamdulillah.
You haven't been to class for a long time. Where you been?
Alhamdulillah, so far okay, yeah.
Okay. You off from work today?
No, actually I'm working, but yeah, I can handle.
Okay, no problem. So over here now, the next one is Fataha Yaftahu. Taftahu is you are opening, and the command is
Iftah,
Iftah. And as you hear, why is it Iftah? Why can we not say Aftah? Why is it Iftah?
because there's a rule when we are changing to Amr, whenever the second last letter has a fatha or a kasra, the first letter should be with the kasra.
Excellent, correct, absolutely right. So it becomes the Iftah, Iftaha, Iftahu, Iftahi, Iftaha, Iftahna. That's everything clear for so far. Now, I want to move on because whenever you conjugate when you have one verb, so fataha was the basic verbs. Now I want to teach you something else. Now, the verbs, the present tense verbs, the present tense verb, they have three different states or positions. So they have three different states or three different positions for itself meaning present tense. What do I mean by that? I mean in regards to its harakat. According to the harakat for a present tense verb, it can take three different states. For example, who remembers, just a question which some of you should remember, some of you may not remember. When we started the Medina Arabic Book 1, I mentioned all nouns have three states. Does anyone remember what were the three states for a noun? Or harakat that a noun can take. For example, the word kitabun. How many harakat the word kitabun can take? Does anyone remember? Come on, Nazreen, what is it? Fadak, you should remember as well. We did this with you. No? Forgotten, everyone? Okay. All nouns, so nouns are either names of individuals, places, or objects. Now, they can have three harakat. What are the three harakats? Marfu'un can come with dhamma tanween, or fatha tanween, or kasra tanween, kasra or kasra tanween. Everyone remember now. Like, for example, ja'a Muhammadun. Ja'a Muhammad came. And for example, the word what does the word qata'a, what does qata'a mean? Qaf, ta, ain, qata'a. Qata'a means to? What does qata'a mean, anyone?
Qata'a.
Yeah, qaf, ta, ain, qata'a. Qata'a yaqta'u means to cut.
Yeah.
Yeah, qaf, ta means to cut. If I said I cut the bread, how would you say that in Arabic? What is the word for bread? What is it? Khubz, yes. So qata'tu al-khubz. أحسنت سيستر أزرا شريف. قطعت الخبز. خا با زال. An alif lam in the beginning. قطعت الخبز. So قطعت, who is doing the cutting of the bread? I am. So I am the doer. And whenever you have an object in the Arabic language, object is the thing upon the verb is performing its action. There's a qata'tu al-khubza. I cut the bread. So al-khubza is getting a fatah. So this is a state of mansub. And for example, the word how would you say it? I sat on the chair. What is the verb to sit?
جلست على الكرسي.
Accent. Jalasto, jalasa, jalasto alal kursi. And because of Allah, what does Allah do whenever it comes? It gives the
It's a
last
hard
letter
jar.
a kasra. Jar,
It's a
exactly.
hard jar. Yeah.
Yes. So jalasto alal kursi yi. The ya should get a kasra. Like bismillah. Ba is also a particle which gives the noun which comes after a kasra. We say bis. Is it bis mullah or millah or mallah? It's bismillah. Yeah. Yeah, because of ba. So there are three states: marfu, mansub, and majroor. So these are three states for a noun. All nouns cannot come apart from these three states. Nouns. The present tense noun have also three states. The nouns don't take tanween. Remember this. The nouns do not take tanweens. It only takes a dhamma, so it's called marfu. For example, this verb here. Which one? Zaira, you want to come on the mic? Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum salam. So the word, so Zaira here over here, yaftahu. So when I'm talking the present tense has three states, I'm referring to the singular verb first. Yaftahu. So the last letter is having a dhamma. Yeah?
Yeah.
Haza the dhamma. Now the second state of the present tense is I'm going to this one first. This one here. Yaftaha. What's happening to this one here now?
There's a fatha.
Exactly. It's having a fatha. And then the other state for the present tense is yaftah. What's happening here now?
There's a sukoon.
Okay. Do you know the reasons why it's now turned into sukoon? Once is a fatha and then the other one comes with a...
Sukoon is because of the amr.
No. Okay, let me explain. Now, in the present tense, so remember I said to you in the beginning when we started the present tense, I said whenever you have the present tense verb, the last letter comes with a dhamma. Does anyone remember that? Yeah? Yes? Now, so this is due to that in front of the present tense, there is no particle. Particle meaning any letters, which is changing the present tense. So when there's no letter in front of the present tense, the last harakat of the present tense will be with a dhamma, and the present tense will have, the Jew will have a kasra, yaftahani, yaftahuna, taftahu, taftahani, yaftahna, taftahu, taftahani, taftahuna, as we conjugate normally, taftahina, taftahani, taftahna, aftahu, naftahu. But so what does yaftahu mean, everyone?
To open.
Yeah, yaftahu, not to open. He is fataha, he open. Yaftahu, he is opening. Okay, he is opening.
Yeah.
Now, when lam comes, what comes? Lam. Whenever lam comes, in the Arabic language, see this? It says here al-majzoom. Majzoom meaning jazm. Whenever lam comes, it makes the present tense singular verb receive a sukoon. What does it do? Whenever lam comes, the last letter of the singular verb takes a sukoon. And where yaftahu here, I'll write this down. Yaftahu here meant he is opening. Now the meaning is changing from he is opening. Now lam comes. What does lam do? Lam changes the present tense meaning from he is opening to didn't do. So when we say in the front of this, it's to be lam yaftah. What is it? Lam
yaftah.
Lam yaftah. It means he did not open. What was the meaning of yaftahu? He is
He's opening.
he is opening. And if I
It.
said he didn't or he did not open, is the meaning still present tense? No, it's past tense.
Yeah.
He did not open. So whenever lam comes, it changes the meaning of the present tense to
Past.
past tense. Like we say, قُلْ هُوَ اللَّهُ أَحَدٌ Allahu Samad Lam.
Yalid.
Exactly. Walada means he gave birth. Yalidu, he is giving birth. Lam yalid, meaning that he was not born. Allah was not born.
Born.
Walam yulad, and he will not be giving birth. Like the Christians believe Hazrat Isa being the son. Make sense?
Yes.
So why is it not lan with a noon? For he will not give birth.
He will not being. Good question. I'll do that afterward. That's a very good question. Yeah. Let me just explain this. That lam yafta, it means he did not. So lam yafta, he did not. He
Open.
did not open.
Open.
And then lam yaftaha. So what this? So remember one thing. So when lam is taking the actual sukoon here. When we go to the jewel itself, the noon with the kasra at the end, like yaftahani, is also dropped. Like the command. Remember the command? Iftah in the jewel is iftaha. So the same thing, the noon gets dropped when lam comes, so it becomes lam yaftaha. Then lam
Yaftahu.
lam yaftahu. And then lam taftah. She did not open. Then taftahani, lam taftaha. And in the plural feminine, lam yaftahna.
Yaftahna.
They all females did not open. Then we go again. Lam taftah, lam taftaha, lam taftahu, lam taftahi, lam taftaha, lam taftahna, lam afta, lam
Nafta.
nafta. Is that clear for you, Sister Zaira? Sayyida Zahra?
Yes.
Is it? And I'll go to the other question. Let me just finish this off because I will make confuse everyone. So I will answer that other question maybe next session so that everyone is with us so that I don't confuse them. So if I would like you to go through them, lam yafta, read them with the translation as well. So lam comes in front of the present tense. The singular verbs, what happens to it?
It gets a sukoon.
Excellent. And what happens to the jewel?
It gets an alif.
No, the noon gets dropped. Lam yaftaha, the noon gets dropped. And lam yaftahu, what's happening here?
The noon turns into an alif.
Yeah, the noon gets dropped and you replace it with a
Alif.
alif. Yeah, the alif is coming to protect this wow here, so that it doesn't get confused for like the meaning of and. So that's the reason why this alif is coming to protect it. And then singular female lam taftah, what's happened here?
The dhamma turns into a sukoon.
Excellent. Go through the whole list with lam yaftah and translate as well.
Okay. Lam yaftah. He will not open.
The past tense. He lam yaftah, he did not open.
Oh, he did not open.
Yep.
Lam yaftaha. They both male did not open.
Yep.
Lam yaftahua. Oh, do I say lam yaftahu?
Yes, lam yaftahu, correct.
They all male will not open. Did not open. Lam taftah. She did not open. Lam taftaha. They both female did not open. Lam yaftahna. They all female did not open. Lam taftah. You both male did not open.
Excellent.
Lam taftaha. You both male did not open.
Excellent.
Lam taftahu, you all male did not open. Lam taftahi, you female did not open. Lam taftaha, you both female did not open. Lam taftahna, you all female did not open. Lam aftah, I did not open. And lam naftah, we did not open.
Excellent. Is it clear for you now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are also other ones, la as well. So whenever in the Quran, la ta'kulu, la tashrubu, whenever la comes as well, lam also is a particle which can come in the front of the present tense, and this gives the meaning of negation. La means don't, and lam means
He
He
did
didn't.
not.
he did not. Exactly. La means la, do not, command, and lam is in the past tense. Correct. Any questions from anyone before I move on forward?
So I just wanted you to
Yeah.
revise more on the nouns, where you said that when you keep a dhamma or a fatha or a kasra and how the meaning changes. Like, for
We'll do that.
example, you said Ja'a Muhammadun and this.
Ra'aytu Muhammadan. Yeah, I'll do this later. But what I'm
Okay.
doing first, I just want to cover the verbs with you because one of the important parts to
Yes.
understand. Let me do a few more sessions on the verbs so that you get a good
Yes.
comprehension, because there's so many verbs in the Quran, and with these verb conjugation, what I'm teaching you now, you will see that you will start gradually understanding that, oh, I didn't realize that this is the present tense, past tense, this is with lam, and so forth. So let me do this part, and then inshallah I'll do the nouns and talk about the different types of nouns as well, inshallah.
Okay.
Because there are, if there's about 120 to 115 different patterns of the present tense, or sorry, the verbs itself, meaning having weak letters, having alif, having shadda, and there are about 115 patterns in total, which I'll try to cover with you so that pretty much all of the Quran verbs, you will understand them itself.
Inshallah.
Okay. Right, I'm going to ask Fadak. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, Fadak. How are you?
Alaikum salam. I'm good, alhamdulillah.
Okay, now we are going to move on to now this verb. As you know, alima means what?
Teach.
He knew.
Oh.
Alima, he knew, okay? Now, when we say lam, how would that change the meaning? Lam ya'lam.
He didn't
He did not know.
Yeah.
Yeah, he did not, or yeah, he didn't know, or he did not know. So if you're going to bring lam, so with the singular verb, what's happened to the singular verb with lam when it comes? It changes the present tense to
Past.
tense, and it makes the last letter. Can we say lam ya'lamu?
No. You
Excellent.
put a sukkul.
Excellent. So I want you to conjugate lam with the 14 present tense verb lam ya'lam and conjugate, please. Go ahead.
Lam
Ya'lam.
lam ya'lam. Lam ya'lama. Oh, should I say the definition?
Yes, please. That'll be help.
He did not know. Lam ya'lama. They both male did not know. Lam ya'lamu. They all male didn't know. Lam ta'lamu. Ta'lam.
Yep.
She did not know. Lam ta'lama. They both female didn't know. Lam ya'lamna. They all female didn't know. Lam ta'lam. You male didn't know. Lam ta'lama. You both male did not know. Lam ta'lamu. You all male did not know. Lam ta'lami.
You one female.
One female didn't know. Lam ta'lama, you both female didn't know. Lam ta'lamna, you all female didn't know. Lam a'lam,
Excellent.
I didn't know. Lam na'lam, we didn't.
Excellent. Is this clear for you?
Yeah.
So so it's very similar to the command that in the dual the noons are dropped, and in the plurals the noon are dropped, and in the singular female lami the noon is dropped, in the dual lama the noon is dropped, and lamna the noon remains. The main difference between the command and the lam itself is that in ta'lam, ta'lamala, ta'lamu, the ta from the present tense is
It
removed.
stays.
It stays here, but in the command it is removed, and we bring hamzatul wasl in the beginning. Yes, clear?
Yeah.
Brilliant, brilliant. Okay, can you choose the next student to come on the mic? You've got a few to choose from.
Amri.
Sorry?
Amri.
Sister Amreen. Sister Amreen, can you come on the mic?
Yes.
So, Sister Amreen, now the next one I'm going to give you is lam. Lam yadrib. Yeah?
Yes.
Go ahead. Can you conjugate for me all of the four? There's no need to translate because I think two is enough. So translate lam yadrib, conjugate the 14 forms. Lam yadrib.
He did not hit.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be yadreba. Sorry, lam yadreba. They both did not hit.
Mm-hmm.
Lam yazrebu. They all did not hit. Then it's gonna be lam tazrib. She did not hit. Lam yadriba. They both did not hit. Lam yadribna. They all women did not hit. Then it's going to be lam tadrib. You did not hit. Lam tadriba. You both did not hit. Lam tadribu. You all did not hit. Lam tadribi. You female did not hit. Lam tadriba. You both did not hit. Lam tadribna. You all female did not hit. Then lam adrib, I did not hit. Lam nadrib, we all did not hit.
Excellent. Is this
And
clear? Yeah, go ahead.
yes, I was just wondering, like there are three conditions when we say it's with lam, right? So first, it's changing mudare to mazi.
Yep,
Secondly, it's giving it a sukoon, and
correct.
the third would be like, are we negating it? That's the third reason.
It's not negate. Yeah, it's negate. We're changing the past, and it's not correct. Correct. Yeah, you could say that. But
Okay.
normally we say that it changes the meaning of the past tense, and it mean of not as well. Lam yadrib, he did not. Correct. That's correct.
Okay. And one more question,
Yeah.
Sheikh. When you say what are the three conditions of noun, or what was that question? I
So
just missed
the
it.
three states of the noun, marfu, mansub, and majrur. The present
Okay.
tense, yeah, marfu, mansub, and majrur are the three states of the noun, and the verb has three states: marfu, majzum, al majzum, this one here, which is on the screen, and the third one is al mansub. These are the three states of the
Noun.
verb. So let me just highlight it.
Oh, the three states of noun would be marfu, majroor, and mansoob, correct? And the
Marfu,
three states
mansub,
of
and majrur. Correct.
yes, and the fail would be with the mazzoom and not with the majroor. That's what you meant.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
So majzum, the noun and the verb share two things in common, marfu and mansub, and they differ from the noun takes majrur, the verb takes majzum. Okay.
Got it. Tamam.
Do you remember that from before, or are you just revising?
Uh, yes, I'm just reviewing, like, just recollecting everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's been a long time, didn't take a class, so yeah. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so Sister Azhar Sharif,
I'm here.
I'm gonna give you, let's do Now, is it okay for you, or do you want to go revise this as well?
Yes, please. Present tense is my weakness.
Okay. So now, if I asked you, lam, if lam comes in front of the present tense, what does it do to lam? What does it do to present tense?
It makes it past
It makes it change the present tense to past tense,
into
correct?
past
Number
tense.
one, and it gives them a meaning of negation. Lam ya'lam, he
Yeah.
did not know.
Yeah. It changes the last haraka becomes a sukun.
Excellent. And what happens to the dual and the plural nouns of the present tense? What
The
happens
noon
to
is
the noon?
dropped. Yeah, the
Exactly.
noon is dropped.
So lam ya'lam conjugate 14 forms. Lam ya'lam,
Okay. Lam ya'lam. He did not. He did not know.
correct?
Lam ya'lama. They
Mhm.
too did not know. Lam ya'lamu. They all did not know. This was for male.
Mhm.
Lam ta'lam. She did not know. Lam ta'lama. They too did not know. Lam ta'lam. Lam ya'lamna. They did not know for females. Lam ta'lam. You did not know male. Lam ta'lama. You too male did not know. Lam ta'lamu. You all male did not know. Lam ta'lami. You female did not know. Lam ta'lama. You too female did not know. Lam ta'lamna. You all female did not know. Lam a'lamu. I didn't know.
Lam a'lam.
Lam a'lam. I did not know. Lam ta'lam. We did not know.
Lam na'lam.
Lam na'lam.
Yeah. It's no, not it's a no, not a ta.
Yeah.
Okay.
Lam na'lam. Sorry.
Yeah. Jazakallah khair. Thank you. Sister Al-Zahra. Al-Zahra. Can you hear me, Al-Zahra?
Assalamu alaikum.
Okay, Islam. How are you, sister?
Alhamdulillah.
Would you be able to come on the mic?
Yes.
Okay. Let's conjugate lam yansur. Lam yansur. So lam did not. Nasara.
I'll start.
Yeah, 1 second. Yansuru means he is helping. Okay, he is helping. Present tense. He is
Okay.
helping. And then lam yansur would mean he
He is helping.
did not. No, he did not.
Not help.
Yeah, he did not help. Continue. Bismillah. Lam yansur.
Lam yansur. Lam yansuru.
Lam yansura.
Lam yansura. Lam yansuru.
Excellent.
Lam tansur.
Correct.
Lam tansura.
Correct.
Lam yansuran.
Lam yansurna.
Lam yansurna.
Lam
Lam tansur.
tansur.
Lam tansur. Lam
Tansura.
tansura.
Lam.
Lam tansuru.
Excellent.
Lam tansuri.
Excellent.
Lam tansura.
Lam
Lam tansurun. Lam
tansurna.
tansuruna.
No, lam tansurna.
Lam tansurna.
And lam
Lam ansur.
lam ansur.
Lam ansur.
And then
Lam
lam nan.
ansur.
Excellent. Excellent. Brilliant. I'm going to ask next one, sister. I'm going to move on and ask Sister Nazneen. Can you come on the mic?
Yeah.
So Sister Nazneen, so lam changes the present tense to
Yes.
past tense and negation
Past.
itself.
Yeah.
Now, the next one is, this is majzoom. So there are 3 different words. Inshallah, I'll cover that next session. Lam, la. La is also, whenever la comes, that only changes the meaning to negation, negative. La ta'kul. So
Yeah.
akala ya'kulu means what? Akala.
Akala is he akala is to eat, right?
Yeah, he ate. Ya'kulu, he is in. And if it says la ta'kul, what does that mean?
Don't eat.
Don't eat, meaning a
Yes.
command. And if it said
Yeah.
la tadkhul,
Don't enter.
excellent. La tashrub, la tashrib.
Don't drink.
So that is the meaning of negation. La tashrib, your present tense negation, and it's imperative command of negation. Okay.
Mhm.
So that's called la and nahiya. Now I want to move, and then actually let's do this. I'll leave because there's a few students absent today. So I'm gonna go on doing la. So what I want you to do, add la to la yadrib and translate for me the meaning as well, adding la. So basically, yadrib yadriba yadribu, tadrib tadriba yadribna, tadrib tadriba tadribu,
Yes.
tadribi tadriba tadribna, adrib nadrib. This all remains the same. You just add la in the beginning and it changes the meaning. La yadrib, he should not hit. La yadriba, they both should not hit. Go ahead.
Yes.
Bismillah.
So la yadrib, he should not hit.
Correct.
La yadriba, they should not hit. La yadribu, they all should not hit. La tadrib, she should not hit. La tadriba, they too should not hit.
There's a mistake on the
La,
text itself. There's a ya. That shouldn't be a ya. That should be a ta, as you have read
sorry,
correctly.
sorry.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, okay.
Tadriba. La tadriba is correct.
Yeah, and then
The ya here is wrong. It should be
yeah,
a ta, as you read. La tadriba.
yeah. And then la yadribna, they females should not hit.
And then la tadrib, you should not.
La tadrib, you should
You.
not hit. Yeah, you
Correct.
should not hit. La tadriba, you both should not hit. La tadribu, you all should not hit. La tadribi, she should not hit. You should not hit girl.
Yep.
La tadriba, you girls should not hit. La tadribna, you all girls should not hit. And la adrib, I should not hit. La nadrib, we should not hit.
Excellent. Is this clear for you as what's his name?
Yeah.
Have you done this before?
Yeah, this one, because it's the negation thing. It's sort of the only thing is that you should be careful that you drop the noon.
Yes, absolutely. In the dual and the plurals, the noon gets dropped. Absolutely.
And the confusion part is, when you're saying you and then the second person, the girl, also you say the, and then here you come and say you and the together.
Yeah. So you need to remember that the boy and the masculine female, it's the difference of the ya. La tadribi. You female should not hit, and la tadrib itself.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you. Fadak and Zaira, is this clear for both of you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Zaira, is that clear for you as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions?
No.
So the question which you said about lam yalid wa lam yulad, so both of them, one is that he lam yalid, he did not he was not born, and he did not got born from someone. So lam yalid, he did not give birth, and neither he was given birth to someone. Both past tense. Lam yalid, he was not born, neither he is giving birth as well. Neither he gave birth.
Okay.
That's the difference between the two. So lam always comes present tense and changes the meaning from present to past tense. La comes with the present tense and does the same action as lam, but the only difference, la meaning remains the present tense and future tense. Sorry, future tense itself, and lam changes the past tense. And inshallah, next session, I will do lan. Lan is easy. Lan, whenever lan comes, it changes the meaning from present tense to future negation. Future negation. For example, lan yadr, and the singular verbs will take a sukoon. So yadrib becomes yadriba. Tadrib becomes tadriba. So it changes the singular verbs of the present tense to mansub, and it changes to future negation. Lan tarani. Ra'a, yara means to see, and lan tarani Musa. Oh Musa, you will never see me. Lan ta'kula. You should never eat this. Lan ta'kula. Okay, so that's the lan does. It changes to future negation, and it will conjugate this next session because quite a few students are absent today.
So again, what is the difference between lam and lan?
Lan changes the meaning to future negation, and the present tense singular verb becomes with a fatha instead of a sukun. Yadrib is with a sukun, but yadriba takes a fatha at the end. That's why it's called mansub. Fi'li mudari mansub.
Okay.
Okay, that's the difference between the two. Okay, I'll leave it to that, and inshallah next session we'll continue on lan, and then I'll move on to the, and also I'll send you a exercises from the Qurans so that you could practice a bit and understand it a bit more as well, inshallah. Okay, I'll send you about 10 examples from different ayat of the Quran to understand, and it will be inshallah much more fruitful for you as well. Okay, any questions? I've sent this handout already in the group, so that please, if you can write this out, the present tense, and then lam with the actual lam yadrib, lam yadriba, that would be great, because if you write things down, you won't forget it. If you don't write it, if you just learn it by looking at it, you tend to forget things. So please do write it and send it across. I'll check it for you as well, inshallah. Okay. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil farajham.
Jazakumullah, ma